certain ethnicity of තිබෙනා වූ අනිත්‍ය භාවය පිළිබඳව
நடந்து போச்சு. இப்படி நம்ம சண்டை போட்டதுல ஒரு பிரயோஜனமும் இல்லை.
Anyway, in the European Parliament, there was a little meeting. Instigated. But questions remain over how the opposition will plug the $1.6 billion hole in the budget if it acts to the levy. Yeah, we've got a whole process to go through with that right.
Impressive, right? Well, there are drawbacks.
More ambitious than what the government is. More kind of like a phasing down or a reduction of coal-fired plants.
टीम ने और अभी तक वर्षी नंबर 1 बोर्ड पर है. ऐसा लग रहा है कि
last week delivered its requisitions. This was a monumental effort by some 63 lawyers who are representing.
Voilà, on a noté un peu les densités. Donc, Mathias et moi, là, on trouve en moyenne, ça fait 14 pour 100 mètres carrés.
Have today been expressing their doubt about how serious the US president really is about his trade policy.
So far, expressed high